the collar, and to put it on you flip it upside down, and then here where they have this narrow spot, that's where you flip it so that it's in the right spot. And you want it to sit right on the front of the shoulder. I like doing it always from the same side, so I do it from her left side. So put the hands on the collar, and then I put everything else over. We'll untangle it all once it's on. Alright, so this is the spider, and you want to make sure that that's nice and centered. This is your breeching. Get her tail over. This harness doesn't have a, I can't remember the name, the piece that ties under their tail. She doesn't have one on this harness, but that's okay.
The anus holder.
No, it has a name. And now I can't think of it. Okay, I'm going to try out the hames. I'm probably going to need your help for this because it's tricky. Now I'm going to do up the cinches. So this first one here holds the harness in place, and this other one here holds the shafts. Nylon is okay, so these shafts, the ones that hold the shafts, they go on the outside of your tugs. We're also using an open bridle, so we don't have any blinkers or blinders on her yet. We haven't had the need to, so we're just going to keep using an open bridle. You don't want too much sway in your shafts. You also don't want nice and tight as this goes. So, okay, good. Yeah, okay, so now we're going to put our brakes on. So, how we do that? Okay, so there's a little loop here. You go through the loop, and then you do 1, 2, 3. Make sure that's snug, and you put your tail right back through, and then you tie it up. That's your brakes.
Oui.
Oui, après, on va faire un petit tour.
What about me?
Oui, on va
You're gonna go too.
Avec Mango and then touch body après. Okay, so now I just gotta put on our lines and we are ready to go. I gotta go through that. Oops, I messed up. I gotta go through the things. I was wondering why it was dragging and I couldn't hook them up right. Okay. So now you just want to make sure you don't have any twists in anything. So we're ready to go.
Woohoo! I like horse rides.
They're fun. They're a lot of fun.
Today was really great. Maggie did very, very well for our first official drive. Thanks for watching. Come back soon.
Hey guys, so if you've been watching, we've been working with Mango quite a bit, and I give most of the credit to my wife, about 98% of it. And today we're going to take the larger wagon that we have for a ride, and we're going to take the whole family out. Hopefully sooner than later we can take the whole family out to town for ice cream. I think that'd be pretty cool. Stay tuned.
cart. Considering it's very windy and it's a much heavier load than she's used to, she did quite well. She's gonna have to get used to the heavier loads, and especially having the Breeching rubbing on her butt, because there's a few times where we were going downhill and the cart was pushing her. But overall, Mango's a good baby.